Hi, this is Jeff Mesnick with Cybersecurity Journal, and I'm here with Mark Cordera.
Yes, how are you doing, Jeff?
Good to see you today, and we're here at the RSA conference.
Yes, we are.
And we're talking a little bit with people about what the board needs to be thinking about in 2017. When you talk to members of the C-suite and you say, this is what your board needs to consider, what are they thinking about? What are you telling them that they need to worry about regarding cybersecurity?
Sure, Jeff. We're really advocating the same guidance from the National Association of Corporate Directors, which focuses on having a real risk management program and framework in place, a rigorous methodology that understands what the top assets of the organization are, what the top threats are, and what the key controls are for the program. And basically, not only are they looking for the boards to actually govern that, but they'll seek evidence that there's some sort of management decision support platform behind that. And many organizations are just looking at where they are in terms of their compliance and baseline assessment capabilities, leveraging things like the NIST cybersecurity framework, but then complementing that with a risk management framework as well. At a process level, it's more based on ISO 31000 or NIST 800-30, and then using a rigorous assessment methodology like FAIR or something close to it to be able to assess risks and proportionally determine what the priorities are. So that's really important. It puts a better precision on what's important for security at the enterprise scope, as well as threat modeling at a lower level on system level scope. So we're advocating those leading practices. We're helping organizations implement them.
Great. And at OpenSky, which is where you work, you guys have a full system that you can deploy for the audit committees, because I think the audit committees of these boards are going to start really taking on a lot more responsibility for what's happening at the enterprise level.
Right, and it's really important to get a coordinated message there, Jeff, with between the audit function and the risk function and the security officer. So they shouldn't have three different stories. They should agree what the story is going into that QBR, and they'll need a platform to do that, obviously. And they'll also have to set their eyes on the expanding perimeter. So we're also advocating that the digital enterprise has to understand that the four walls of the data center and the firewalls are not it anymore. Instead, they should be looking at their identity perimeter and getting visibility into the cloud, their infrastructure as a service, their software as a service use, getting things like cloud security access brokers in place, their digital identity assurance architecture, knowing who's who on the internet,
right,
and getting those things in place. Really, those are the cornerstones we're looking at.
Great. Well, I appreciate the time. So this is Mark from OpenSky.
Yes, that's at CodeRM on Twitter, CoderREM.
All right, well, thank you very much, everybody.